Hi everyone, in this video I'll be replacing my old kitchen faucet with this WEWE kitchen faucet that I got from Amazon. This model is a model that comes with a spring and push down model, so it doesn't extend. I'm gonna show it to you up close and I'm gonna show you the installation procedure. First I'm gonna show you how to remove the old faucet and then how to install this new faucet. So let me show you the faucet up close. This here is a box. While opening the box, I'm gonna tell you that it's very important that you go to wewe-faucet.com and register your faucet. So this way you'll have the 5 years warranty from WEWE. This is the plate. I'm gonna use the plate. It's also important to know that the plate has this white foam on the bottom. So please keep this white foam because this is the waterproof part of the faucet. So when you put it like this, and it prevents the water from dripping into under the sink. And this is the faucet. It really looks very good. It operates very smoothly and it has the water lines already attached. I'm gonna remove this also because this will allow it to spray or not to spray. And this is the tightening neck. I'm gonna show you how to install it. And this is here also to tighten the faucet. So this is everything that comes in the box. It is also important to mention that you don't need the Teflon tape because here the water line hookups have already a washer inside. And this is like the documentation of WEWE says that you don't need the Teflon tape. So now I'm gonna remove the old faucet. Before removing the old faucet, make sure that the valves that feed it with water are closed. So here I closed both valves, hot and cold, and then make sure that the faucet is not dripping water anymore. So open it and see it is not dripping water, hot or cold. So now we are ready to remove it. Now depending on your faucet model, you might have many connectors. You have of course two connectors. So this is the cold and the hot connectors, and these should be removed. And you have also maybe a connector that is the main connector. So this one also has a main connector. So I'm gonna remove these three connectors. Before removing the connectors, make sure that you have a receptacle here in case there is some dripping of water. So this way you don't damage here under the sink. To perform the job, you need a locking plier and you need also a crescent wrench. And let me show you how to use them. So first, for the crescent wrench, you need to remove this bolt here. So you need to untighten this bolt. So this is the main hose bolt. So untighten it like this and remove it all the way. So here it is removed. And the second thing you need to do here is to remove these bolts here. So for me, because I have these lines here that I don't want to break, I'm gonna hold the lines with the locking plier. I'm gonna hold the lines on the bolt here, and this way I can undo the other bolt. So the locking plier goes like this, and then I remove the bolt here. It should be removed easily. And here it is removed. And let me remove now the hot one. So it is the same. And I have some water dripping. It's not a big deal. So I have something here for the water. So now I can remove the old faucet. So this here is the old faucet. It should be removed very easily now. So now this is the old faucet completely removed. And this is the plate of the old faucet. I'm gonna remove it also. So it has screws here that should be removed. And now it can easily be removed. So now I'm gonna clean this very good and install the new faucet. This is the plate that comes with the WEWE faucet. So put it in place. Before installing the new faucet, you have this cylinder here that you need to put into the water lines. It has a ring here, so the ring should go up. So put it like this. And it should screw here on the bottom of the faucet, like this. So screw it good, like this. And now put the faucet lines in, and then this one goes here like this. And now what we need to do is to tighten it. And to tighten it, you have this black cylinder, and it has the stainless steel washer and the rubber washer. So make sure that they go like this, so the stainless steel first and then the rubber washer, and then you need to tighten it from the bottom. So before installing the water lines, slide them in this black cylinder here, like this, and then the black cylinder should go up here. So make sure that you tighten it very good, so that the white foam goes flush on the stainless steel, and this way the water will not drip anymore. So now I'm gonna reinstall the water lines. This is a hot one, so I'm gonna first install it a little bit with my hand, and then install the cold one also with my hand. So this went in here also. Tighten them with your hands, and then give them a quarter of a turn or a little bit more to tighten them with the crescent wrench. Of course, when you use the crescent wrench, once again use a locking plier so that you don't break the lines. I think this is sufficient. Let me see now the cold one. I think this is sufficient too. So I'm gonna clean all the water here now, so this way when I open the water lines, I'm gonna see if it's still dripping or no. So I'll be opening the valves now. This is the hot one and this is the cold one. And let's see if anything is dripping. Hopefully nothing will be dripping. So these are here the water lines. They are really dry. So let's try now the faucet. So this here is in the middle. It's working flawlessly. It really is very good. So this way you have the spray, and by the way, if you want to check out this faucet, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will make a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel greatly. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I hope that my video will help you in installing your WEWE faucet. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.